Yeah, Jim, I lump it into two large categories, and actually, this is a hard question to answer because there are a number of challenges. But the first challenge I think that technology can help us with is what I call the large data to big data problem, right?
Okay.
So, from an NGA standpoint, working with airborne imagery and satellite imagery, we've been in the large data business for a long time. So large files, specific, that have specific properties, and if you correlate that against big data, which is smaller files that are in Hadoop, and Mercedes touched on that. How do we transition that, right? So, and we're all carrying legacy architectures. So how do we transition those capabilities into an open source world, right? So how do we work the code rewrite and make sure that we can minimize cost there to get that integration? So that's the first set of challenges in that category. The second is really all about tradecraft, right? So, we're changing the way that we're analyzing information. Chris touched on it with the discussion about process was king. Now data is king. So, how do we change our tradecraft around that, particularly in two categories? One is analysis. So how do we change our analytic processes and capabilities to accommodate big data? And the second challenge is what I would call conveying that understanding to decision makers. We've been in a static product. I mean, our favorite way is PowerPoint to convey information in the written word.
Absolutely.
But how do you convey understanding in terms of big data that's really more activities and motion to convey an understanding more quickly?
Yeah, it's